Oh, this is really a cup. This is not a mug. Cute cat paw cup. Nice. Thank you. Oh my god. Oh, look at this. So cute. It's a cat paw. Nice. Ah, I never thought that I needed this, but now I have it. I know I need it. That's so cool. Thank you. That's pretty cool. Gonna make cocktail tomorrow. Send you picture of the cat paw. Yeah. Now you can make iced cat paws. I think it's more like for drinks, isn't it? I can make umeshu cocktail tomorrow in cat paw cup. Is that a cup or glass? Doesn't matter. It's super cute. I love it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Super cute. Nice.